Righto, so we're out here just at Pelican Waters at the moment, about to go for a flick just to change it up a bit. Got an imposter on there at the moment. I have to change that up, but yeah, incoming tide in the canals, should be some good brim and jack. Fishing with Bailey. Go for a stroll. Wow, check out this thing. Yeah, like high tide's at like 7, I think.
Yeah, look, it's like shallow already.
I need some practice casts. Yeah, usually under all the jetties are pretty good. Oh, that's... Alright, I haven't... Hang on. That's perfect. Bloody hole over there. Yeah. And like everyone here's like going to call the cops on you.
Yeah, they're all like...
Yeah.
Looks good, I feel like.
I don't think this one's really the play, to be honest. Over in like all those boats would be good, but oh, am I just... No, I'm snagged. I got snagged on the drop off. Oh, you...
Hey, Chuck, pull it tight and then, yeah, do that. Yeah. Oh no.
Oh, I was actually just about to switch that over anyway.
Loki, you could probably just wait it, walk.
I don't want to take my shoes off just yet though.
Hey, Chuck. I know that... Oh, fuck.
Alright, let's see the master at work.
Usually that way.
You detonate my rod.
Okay. I'm just spinning my... Oh,
Thank you.
your line's fucked up.
Thanks, bro. Oh, by the way, fuck your line.
Nah, I've had some gnarly snags before. Once I had a snag, I thought it was a snag, so I went down in the water, and it wasn't just a snag, it was a giant ass fucking tree. It was like one of those trees. They're fucking like actually... I caught a whole gum through them.
Okay, well that's the new strat. Don't get it snagged on the bloody giant concrete block in the floor. That was such a...
Oh, look how good that was. I'm gonna go. Look at that, No, I saw like little fish under here.
Yeah. It's usually like up in. I mean, we could go under. That's what I usually do. And
oh, holy fuck! That was a mullet.
yeah, we need to go over there, bro.
Oh no! Oh no!
Oh, you got it. Cause I got like.
Oh, you actually summoned it.
There's definitely stuff in here. But that looks like a queenie, but I didn't quite see that. But switch over my thing. This one's kind of terrible, to be honest. Yeah. Oh, I got some white, like imposters if you want. Bro, there's why are they everywhere but here, bro?
It's always how it is.
Yeah. Just picked up these little minnows from BCF. Gonna chuck them on the 8-ounce 1/0s. I think that should be a little bit better than the bloody purple imposter that I had on there. Like, you could like sit up on this jetty, get your mate with a boat to like just run your line all the way down to that end one and just bring it up all the way along all of them. I reckon you'd get something for sure. I want to go try this bridge. Oh, hang on, there's a tree here. Is this a gang from before? Yeah, I think that was me. Oh, it's wrapped around my body. I love when that happens. What?
That looks weird. Look.
How?
It's like a circle of like. There's like a circle of like compression there.
Well, what the hell?
And there's like an underwater pipe or something. Oh, it's gone now. Did you see that?
No, I didn't see it. Bro, wait. That's okay. This is it's stacked. Right, how's oh my look, of course once I put scent on it, it gets all like bloody mangled. Oh, it's in the tree. Get out. I ain't touching it to fix it though, so actually, no, why not? If I just touch the bit I didn't put scent on, it should be fine, no?
It's not like bad.
Yeah.
It's like, it's not a lot. Come on, bro, just took it. I actually got a bite, bro.
Oh yeah. Sure it wasn't just caught under a rock?
No, I left it still. That's how you know. You have to like.
Yeah.
They always grab it on the drop.
I just saw something there. There was just something there. That's... Should have bought some towels, eh? Yeah. Alright, we've been out here for what, like 2 hours? Nothing. Well, actually like an hour and a half. But... So I can't fix this bloody camera up. It feels like it, but I'm not sure whether it's just hitting the bottom and then getting under a rock. I'm gonna go try the bridge. Getting a bit wet now. Oh, bro! Damn it! Ah! Something grabbed it. I don't know if it was a rock or what, but something grabbed it.
I think this is a scent.
Yeah. Well, it's got to be doing something. Well, I'm going up where it's dry, eh? The goal for this evening, since it's gone crap, is 1 fish each. Still got about an hour till high tide, so. So close, bro. Oh. Right. Is that just on the lawn? Right. sort of just trawl on the line at this point. I want to get to that bridge. A, so I can get out of the rain, and B, I reckon there'll be some stuff there or around there. Can even fish off the bridge actually. Oh, something grabbed it. Oh, snag. Yeah, snag. Oh, to be on that log. Oh, we're free. This is the perilous part of... Oh, no, never mind. Wait. What the hell? Are you on? No, we're not. I think there was something on it. I don't know. Should probably chuck this into like water mode or whatever it is.
No, I haven't done. I had like a bunch of bites. I think they like stuck into the sensor.
Yeah.
It doesn't even smell like mullet anymore.
I don't know, there was like something, I don't know if it was a snag or what, it was so weird. I'd like pull it, and it would like go, whoop, and then it was like, I'd put it there, and then nothing would happen, I'd reel it back in, and then it would just go again. It felt like it was something, but I want to go where it's dry. Yeah, there has to be. So?
I almost fell in.
Oh, what am I even waiting for? Hi, Dylan. Ready? Oh. You know what would really piss all these people off? A little bit of beatings if I do that.
Holy fuck.
My hands keep slipping down. I didn't even see that once. Oh,